What's up, guys? Happy holidays and welcome back. I know you caught that I said holidays because today we will be doing a holiday haul for Riley Rose. Yeah, you heard me, Riley Rose, which means they're still here, which means they're not going anywhere. So before we get started, let me get you guys hip really quick. A lot of people have been talking about Riley Rose is going out of business. Forever 21 is bankrupt. That's false. Very false. We are here to stay. Actually, we have conjoined both under one roof to combine fashion and beauty. So today I'm going to do a haul for you guys from Riley Rose. They sent me a box, and actually in this box is a little preview of what they're going to be selling for Black Friday coming up. So I'm about to hook y'all up really quick. Everything in this box I'm gonna show you is actually 30% off, so keep that in mind when I'm showing you. If you want it, just remember, take 30% off the price. All right, let's get started. What's in the box? Let's do this. I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty excited to show off what they have in store. Riley Rose stores have been moved, select Forever 21 locations. So don't get hyped like, oh, every single store? No, baby girl, they're in select locations. All right, first thing in the box. Boom, look how cute this is. It looks like a piece of candy. I absolutely love it. This is the I'm Rose Tony Moly mask and hand cream set. Inside of this, you're gonna get 2 I'm Rose mask sheets, 1 I'm Rose hand cream, and 1 I'm Rose revealing sleep mask. I'm going to say that this is probably going to be the best stocking stuffer you get for anybody. So definitely for the Black Friday sale, cop yourself one of these. She opens with such ease. Everything is compact on the inside of this. Let's take it out. So it comes with 2 sheet masks. These are actually big sheet masks. The hand cream and the revitalizing sleep mask. I can't read, so that was a big word for me. Let's move on. Next, for the Black Friday deal from Riley Rose, the Zumu, am I saying that right? Zumu, Manuka Honey Body Wash and Manuka Honey Cleanser. This, again, is another great gift. I mean, you don't even have to wrap it. I mean, look at the box and look at the bow on it. Super cute. These are actually pretty hefty bottles. This is a great gift. If someone got me this is a great gift. The cleanser as well. Yes, definitely the cleanser. So, again, great holiday gift. All right. For the next thing that's inside the box for the 30% off Black Friday sale. Oh, you know they had to throw a palette on here. This is the Pinky Rose Pink Paradise palette. Are you ready for this? Because I don't know if you are. Look at these colors. Now, some may say that's a lot, because it is, but we also are some extra individuals. So join me and let's be extra together with the Pinky Rose Paradise palette. All right, next thing, it's in the box. So if you already follow me, this next product I'm about to show you, you've actually seen me use it. It works so well on my skin. The Cosmedica Skincare Rose Gold Glow Kit, a micro needling derma roller. And at first I was super scared to use it because when I opened it I saw it was a needle. I almost passed out. So it didn't hurt. It was great. And this is also going to be 30% off at the Black Friday sale. You're welcome. Next rule of business. So this product right here actually is super simple. Stocking stuffer for sure. This is definitely something that you're gonna put in the stocking stuffer, but again, it's 30% off. So when you're getting your stocking stuffers together, definitely throw in some lip gloss because these are pretty neutral colors and you can't go wrong with these. I love this. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in this box. Like, you guys y'all got a lot of shopping to do for Black Friday, and Riley Rose is definitely one of the places you need to hit up. Between Riley Rose and Forever 21, actually not between them because now they're under one roof. You're welcome. I have the Eco Beyond Best Skincare Kit. Now, I've never used any of their products, but I've heard nothing but great skin about them, and I love toners. And I just actually found out that it's a really big word, honestly. It's a facial foam. Like washing my face with foams, and this is a facial foam. This could be a stocking stuffer. I see this in my stocking because this is a great gift. Someone really cares about you and your skin if they get you this. Oh, last but certainly not least, this one right here. When I saw this in the box that they were giving this away for 30% off, I was like, wow. You're welcome. If you're familiar with CBD products, Riley Rose sells the Kanuka skincare, body care, all that jazzy stuff. First off, let's get into this box. This box is so nice. I think after I use the product in it, I'm definitely gonna use this for a gift. Look at that. At this point, I'm about to bless you with some magic. A piece of paper! No, I'm kidding. So this is the booklet that actually comes in it, and it gives a description of all the products that come inside of this beautiful box that you know, you can get for the Black Friday sale for 30% off. You're welcome. So let me show you what's in the box. Okay, listen. Riley Rose, y'all the best. Here is CBD Calming Eye Balm, CBD Healing Skin Balm, CBD Nourishing Body Cream, CBD Hydrating Lip Balm, the CBD Cleansing Body Bar with a natural scent. Yeah, listen, if you guys are going Black Friday shopping and you don't stop at Forever 21 or Riley Rose, I don't know where you're going, because this is a great deal. Not even half of what the deals you will be getting on Black Friday at any convenient Riley Rose locations. So again, you are welcome. Now, I got you prepared for Black Friday. Now, whatever you do after this point, it's totally up to you, but you can't say I didn't help you. You have to go into Riley Rose and Forever 21 and get that 30% off. Yes, I'm gonna keep saying Riley Rose and Forever 21 because guys, they're under one roof. Can you believe I can go get an outfit and then still get the palette to match my outfit? You're welcome. They're having a grand opening at select locations next Saturday, which is the 30th. So please, you have to come support. I'm gonna be there, come hang out. Again, thank you for joining me today and, you know, being able to see this holiday haul. Get it? Holiday. Thank you so much. My name's Ashby. Follow me on Instagram. Make sure you follow Riley Rose, follow Forever 21, and I'll see you guys at the grand opening next Saturday. Yeah.